Hello everybody, Elegant Melon here. Welcome back to my channel. And today I am here unboxing, well, it's kind of obvious here, the classic and cathartic versions of Favorite by NCT 127. If you notice a quality increase in this video, or video quality increase in this video, it's because I got a new phone. So, okay, so which one do we want to start with? I guess we'll start with the classic version. Put the cathartic version up there. Rosalie Marie. Stop. Leave the water where it is. Do I need to put more water in that water bowl? Was that your issue? Okay, so, is that, oh, that's just a little paper tab thing. Let's see. Pull all that out. Okay, there's my stuff. Here is the album. For polls, we're hoping for either Utah or Mark for some stuff, because I have a friend who collects Mark, Kev. He collects Mark, and he pulled quite a bit of Utah. So if I pull Mark, I can trade with him. So yesterday, well, technically 2 o'clock this morning, I watched the It's Awkward But It's Okay with Utah and Xiaojun, which, if you don't know, Xiaojun is my favorite member of NCT as a whole, and then Utah is my second favorite. And so, like, I saw this. I saw that that was a thing, and I was just like, I need to watch this, and I did, and it was great, and I now, it was great. I ended up calling Johnny an asshole like 5 times, because, why you do my boys like that, Johnny? Why? Why did you do my boys like that? But, but yeah, so and now I have an NCT Dream bias. Spoiler alert, it's Jamin. Because, like, I watched that, and then I'm like, okay, I'm gonna look up Jamin, because he looks like fun, and he is fun. So I'm just like, he is now my bias in NCT Dream. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, we are having a fun time. What is even going on? I just had a phone interview for like a temporary job in my area, moving a library, and I swear I just listened to this woman talk for like 15 minutes, and I'm not even sure she breathed. So, in that 15 minutes, so, like, that's a whole thing. Yeah, that's a thing. So, yeah. And what am I going to spend that money on? You may ask. The money that I'll make from doing this temporary job. Well, you're pretty much looking at it. Well, no, I'm either going to spend it on my cats or, like, getting my, key collection done, because that's going to be kind of expensive, I think, potentially. Anyway, that was that. Now let's look for pulls. Poster. But yeah, I watched It's Awkward, But It's Okay, and I was just like, I was telling my friends, I'm like, I really like that cardigan. I got you to. I saw the A, and I was just like, yes. So, yay. Okay. Da 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 da. And this is, God damn it, I know who it is. I don't know. I vaguely know everybody, but it's like, I vaguely know everyone. It's just there's two of them that I get mixed up on. So, forgive me. I think it's Jaehyun and Do-young. I'm like, I don't know who is who. Wait, what? I got Mark. And then I got Johnny here. Did Kev get Yuta for this one? I gotta see which photo card is Yuta for this one, because I know Kev has a Yuta. And so, if he needs us Mark, we're doing a trade. But yeah, I like Do-young and Jaehyun. I'm just kind of like, I know they're different people, but when I look at pictures of them, I'm just like, I can't remember which one this is, if that makes any sense. Like, you put pictures of them next to each other, I'm like, these are two different people. But can I tell you which name belongs to which person? No. But I at least know everybody else pretty much. Oh wait, and tail kind of confuses me sometimes. I am having... Okay, I know I didn't get Yuta for that. Because Yuta's is green. How do I know this? I have spent way too much time on Makari, Japan, staring at Yuta's inclusions. And tail. God Damn it! I am having... I'm fine apple, what? That's tail. That's tail. I am sorry to anybody who biases somebody that Doyoung Jagan. So, did they stand the same way here? So that's Jayan. So that is Jayan. Yes, I figured out who it is. It's Jayan. Hi. Yes. I'm having a great time. If you think I'm going through this a little bit quickly, I am, because I have Taco Bell waiting for me, and I would very much like to deep throat that burrito. Ooh, that's a pretty picture. I like that picture. That is a good picture. But, yeah. We're not talking about the deep throating a burrito. In Soviet Russia, burrito deep throats you. Hi, I'm inappropriate all the time. Yes. Hence the reason why, like, my favorite songs usually end up being the horny jail songs. Like, oh, I skipped a page. Yeah, ask me. I've been drinking Baja Blast, so I'm super hyper. Ooh, I like that. I like that. I'm tired. I've been drinking Baja Blast. I have a bit of a headache. I would like to... Ooh, pretty. I would like to go back to sleep. But yeah. So we are going through this. I'm going through a lot of things. Okay, so there's that. There's that. This is the other poster. We don't need that poster right now. We need this poster. Is it the same poster or is it a different poster? It's a different poster! Woo! Okay, and then we have Hei-chan there, and then we have Hei-chan here, and we have Doyoung. So, shice. Anyways, so I have at least some Yuta for my collection, which is very exciting. I was like, isn't there a bookmark in the other version too? And I just had, I was just covering up half of it. So these are my pulls. If I do trade with Kev, I have to see if he's okay with this, like, indent from fucking Yuta. Yuta, you're not supposed to love Mark that hard, okay? But anyways, I'll have to see if he's okay with that indent thing there if I'm trading with somebody. I was just trying to scratch my head. Boop. I slammed my finger in the bathroom door at work. I was off the clock, so it's not a situation of shit. So, or what was I talking about? Yeah, if I'm trading with somebody, I gotta see if they're okay with that indent. This is gonna be some fun trading. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Bye.